So that's the idea, so we've got 2 more posts to install today. Let's crack on, we'll show you how we do it. So I just want the top of that post to be in line with the top of that cap, so our new decorative cap can sit on top of that one, just flush. I think that makes most sense anyway. Alright, so now you can see post slightly above here, so our new top cap has a 50mm overhang. So now that 50mm is not going to be interrupted by this beautiful bit of construction. So for the beds on this project, for the cobbles, we're going for a granocrete mix. So we've got our 6-0 grano over here, we've got our classic sharp sand. So what did you decide to do here, Glenn? If you could just explain like the layout a little bit maybe?
Yeah, we decided to just follow the flow of the brickwork so it matches, you know, the line of the house here. They all come out, the wall comes out at different sizes and different spaces there, so we thought that would look best.
Yeah, looks awesome. I agree.